Hey guys, here's a Pikachu EX Legendary Collection. I'll just get it open now and we'll have a see what we can crack open from this beauty. We get a code card. Here are the full art EXs. We get a Pikachu EX, a Latias, a Black Kyurem, a Regigigas, Zekrom, and a Palkia. And we also get a cool Pikachu badge, which is quite nice. Then we get Primal Clash, Roaring Skies, Ancient Origins, and 2 Breakthrough packs. So let's crack these packs, we'll have a see what we get. A Scorched Earth, an Electrike, Bunnelby, Hippopotas, a Slugma, a Nidoran Female, a Trapinch, a Spheal, a Reverse Hollow Walrein, and a regular Tangrowth. Pretty average pack there. Now we'll go with Ancient Origins. Eco Arm, a Lucky Helmet, Ariados, a Golurk, a Beldum, a Baltoy, a Malamar, a Goomy, a Reverse Wooper, and a normal Gyarados, which is quite nice as well. Nothing too extravagant as of yet. Roaring Skies next. A Gallade Spirit Link, a Dragonair, a Switch, a Shuppet, a Natu, a Spearow, a Meowth, Gligar, a Pikachu Reverse Hollow, and a Full Art Altaria. Nothing too amazing as of yet. Here we go for the breakthrough. Let's hope for the secret rare Mewtwo. Ursaring, Sandslash, Heavy Boots, a Ralts, a Magnemite, a Fennekin, a Pancham, a Meowth, a Reverse Hollow Prinplup, and a Mega Mewtwo EX. Full art. An amazing pull there, we'll put that one there. That's a great pull. If we had some cool music, I'd be playing it. Got a Special Fire Energy, a Fluette, a Piloswine, a Meowth, a Sandshrew, a Swinub, a Paras, Pansear, a Reverse Pikachu, and a Noctowl. All in all, not a terrible haul there. Let's just have another look at the goods that we've got from the box. Here we have the Full Art Mega Mewtwo EX, Zekrom, a Palkia, a Regigigas, a Black Kyurem, a Latias, and the Promo Pikachu EX. Thanks for watching, guys.